this episode. For the river, over the river. So, most of you already know, I live over here. Probably duh. There's a lot of houses. And yeah. But, I actually wanted to see what's over here. Nobody's never looked over here. There's mountains and valleys. I'm sorry, I'm thinking of the stuff and how I'm a wild animal. And nobody wants to be my friend. Probably because I look like a raccoon. And they're vicious, mean, meanies. I'm actually a red panda. Which a lot of people get me confused. And I look kind of hot pink. But no, I'm a red panda. Rawr. Anyways, help me climb this mountain. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, wait, there's a force field. No, I'm trying to climb it. Oh, here we go. Whoa, look at the ocean. And then over here, more valleys. There's a beach. It doesn't look that fun though. Nobody knows because I'm probably gonna be a wolf someday, but like I want to be my own person. Like, wee! Whoa! Ow! 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 Here, we can go swim in the. Are those ducks? Rubber duckies. Rubber ducky. Rubber ducky. Oh, rubber ducky. Oh, rubber duckies. That's cute. I love playing with that rubby duckies. Let's follow the river and see where it takes us. Oh, well, that was pretty short. Whoa. Well, are these just ponds? Can we find an actual river? Like, please. Here's a tent. More animals are staying here. Whoa, powerful wolf. Oh my gosh, I should be scared right now. Whoa, food, fish, yummy. I stole a fish. I'm a red panda and I'm sweet, but sometimes I can be a little feisty sometimes and steal stuff. Only if you have good snacks. Okay. Christmas trees, Violent Wolves, Christmas Trees Farm. Wow. Well, that's place marker. Hey, remember the mountain we climbed? I found the same exact one. Although I need to find the river. Does anyone here know what the river is? I have a fish to trade you. Like, you can show me where it is, and I'd be like, yeah, sure. But, oh no, it's getting dark. I'm not nocturnal. Otherwise, I wish I was sometimes. There's the river. Let's go. Let's see where the river takes us. Whoa, it's pretty dark. This journey is really very, very, very long. Let's go. Hold on. Yet it's still night. I can't. Here, let's climb this mountain and see how far we get. Climb the mountain! Oh, that's Wolf's job. Hey, what if we follow the river the other way? Is that lightning? Shooting stars! Wow! Haven't seen that in forever. Oh my gosh. You should have known. Haven't seen one of those until I was like a baby. My mom was always like, did you know what that was? And I was like, no. I was so cute when I was a little cub. There's the bridge we crossed over at the beginning. Oh no, I'm on the other side. I don't want to be on the other side. I don't want to be on the other side. Look, it's daytime. More adventure to come. Let's do this thing. Oh wait, no, that was the bridge. So I'm technically on this side now, but like, whatever. We are following the river. There's someone swimming in the river. Is this the beach? Oh my gosh, it's water. It's water. Huh? Look at me go. Let's swim over here. Well, it makes sense that it's it just makes sense that the river goes into the ocean. Oh no! Sorry about that confusion. Well, we found the lake, and where it goes to, it leads to the ocean. Meanwhile, I found a whale. Whale. Aw. More Rubby Ducky! Aw, Rubby Ducky. I'm swimming. Oh my gosh, there's a frog. Guys, look. There is a frog. Oh my gosh, there is a frog. A rubber ducky and a frog. What a pleasant surprise. Wonder if we can catch fish. Oh. Well, that was a good surprise. Now we gotta follow the river this way. Sorry, this is probably really boring, and you're probably skipping over it. But thanks for joining my animal journey if you're still here. You know this is a thing, right? Yeah, it's a thing. Remember, you can always count on an animal friend when you need an animal. We're gonna go ahead and cross the river so we can climb this mountain and go over to those mountains. Now follow me. Remember, climbing's really hard. Nope, can't do it. Abort. I can swim though. Across to the lake. Oh my gosh, it won't let me through. Oh, I think I know why. Our leader of our town, guess what it was? It's a lion. But she shut down because people were falling off the cliff. So they had to shut down. Here, I'll show you what cliff I mean by that. Help me. I wish someone was here to give me a boost. Here we go. Oh. Guess we'll never see the end. Sad face. Oh, whoa. I just realized this map takes us. Let's go to the lake. Ooh. I still can't believe they did teleporting. Like, how? Well, we're in the lake area. Oh, what are those? Those are tomatoes. You know, I've never tried them. So let me try one. Oh, it won't let me. Here, let's go over here. They only see me in Europe, so And we're in the United States, so they're probably gonna think I'm really weird. Oh, I just jumped the fence. Look at that. Oh, those are horses. There's a moose. Wow. They probably were expecting me if there was a moose here. He's supposed to go in the mountains. Wow. You know, I think this will be my home. Hi there, Foxy. Let's be roomies. Bye-bye.